out of Salon de V.
Hi, my name's Izumi, and if you want to see more of me, the link is gonna be up here. So feel free to click it if you want to.
Nakaka-challenge kasi yung ganitong look eh. Pero ang gagawin natin first is the drugstore makeup. Siguro mo, below 200 to 300 pesos. Below 300, sige below 300 na lang. Ang hirap pumili actually ng drugstore makeup na below 300. Kasi parang nagkaroon sila ng increase ng price ngayon dahil ba sa pandemic.
Maybe.
Yung mga nakikita ko before nung 180, parang nasa 250 na siya ngayon. Sige, 300 guys. Kaya-kaya na ng budget nito kasi pwede nyo naman i-maximize yung per product para sa full effect.
Let's do it. Let's go. So gentle. Some are like...
Yun na lagi sinasabi sa akin, nakakaantok. Let's do this. Why?
Kailangan manual.
Yung 180 pesos ko ah. Livery, warm light. Okay. Ayun! Finally. Finally!
Sarap. Does it match?
Yeah. Ganda cover. What's your favorite skincare brand?
I've tried a lot from and it's nice because it's cheap, diba? But it's really effective. I used a lot though. I used 2 moisturizers tsaka yung toner. But parang it's too harsh na now. My skin got dry compared to before. I don't know why. Siguro the meds. Before I was really oily. Now parang getting kind of dry in some areas. Since I'm not as oily, I don't set my makeup anymore. So recently I've been experimenting on soap brows.
Nakita ko yun.
Ang hirap, girl! Akala ko madali lang.
Better brows here.
Yes! So what's it one? Better brows here. This is my nice brow. This is my ugly sister
Ito medyo
brow.
pasaway to.
Yeah, yung taas niya parang ayaw niya tumubo. So this is my nice brow.
Yeah,
nice brow, bad brow.
Yeah.
Nanginginig yung ulo ko. Nanginginig ako ba? So me, I'm Sun and Moon Gemini. That means I'm a true Gemini. All of my exes are Leo. Pero believe it or not, pero nung nagkakataon, when I'm dating someone I like, what's your sign? They say they're Leo all the time. And I'm attracted to Leos. Even in Japan, it's not locked down. They're even encouraging people to go out so that the economy would run. But then again, they have better healthcare. So they can handle it. Tapos parang may barkada right now, we're all Geminis and Leos.
Kasi the Leos knows how to mingle kasi talaga.
Yeah, they really do.
Kasi alam nila paano mag-compliment.
Yeah.
Kaya talagang, Leo.
Come back for more Zodiac Talks to Vanessa's channel. But yeah, even my boyfriend now is Leo.
No?
Yeah. Weird, no?
Ilang Leo ba kailangan?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi na ata yung checklist ko. Leo ka ba? I don't know why hindi nag-affect sa lashes ko yung haba ng kilay.
Napunta lahat sa kilay.
If a Japanese person does your lashes, may additional payment. Nagiging 2K plus na. But really parang, support local. Support local, yung cheaper na lang. My lower lashes thick, that's what I noticed. Maybe they just stick down naturally.
Hindi ganito.
Concentrate ako.
Kaya?
Kaya.
If you were given a chance, what chance would it be? Parang ang nonsense sa tanong.
Grabe lang na how this pandemic changed everyone's lives, the entire world. Like, you wouldn't think this would happen at all. But we have the longest lockdown if you think about it. It's not like we're pretty strict pa if you compare it to other countries.
Eh? Ah? And we are finally done sa look na ginawa natin kay Izumi ba? Gusto mo Zumi lang?
Either way, Zumi's
Zumi!
nice.
Like Zumi!
Yes.
Zoom mo ko? Ganon?
Ganon.
So, ang challenge na to, everything below 200 or 300 pesos. Pinaximize talaga natin yung mga gamit.
This is a very on the budget, soft to glam. Just perfect for every day. So if you're thinking of something to do and you're on the budget and you wanna look really pretty na parang laid back lang, perfect look, the sun.
So, for ano yung favorite mo na nilagay natin doon?
I really love the soap brows because I really wanted to learn how to do soap brows on my eyebrows that are kind of thicker. So now I know how to do it na medyo parang everyday yung use niya. The more natural
Mas
side.
natural talaga pag gumamit kayo ng eyebrow soap, tapos lagay niyo lang siya ng powder or eyebrow pencil. Pero yung sa harap, huwag na syempre yung galawin. Parang sa tail lang.
Towards the end, yes, for natural yun.
Ako siguro yung bago kong discovery na favorite, yung foundation.
Oh, yeah.
Medium coverage siya, pero hindi siya heavy.
Hindi siya cakey feeling. Para lang siyang light.
Okay, so far yun yung top 1 ko, yung foundation. Tapos next, syempre yung brow soap. Saka yung ang ginamit na namin doon for the eyes, contour powder, at saka highlighter. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, mamamaximize nyo yung bawat product na ginamit namin ito. All the products will be down below, including the price, para meron kayong guide. Alam nyo kung alin doon yung papasok pa sa budget nyo. So guys, don't forget to follow her Instagram, her Facebook, and YouTube channel. And syempre, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Dito sa channel ng Salon de V and the Facebook page of Salon de V. Madami din nagre-request ng mga students na gusto ng drugstore makeup, especially nowadays.
Of course,
diba?
yeah. Drugstore is really good. I love drugstore makeup.
Lumalaban na talaga, pati local brands
That's
natin.
true, yeah.
Lumalaban sila sa mga high-end products, no? Especially ngayon, yung mga discoveries natin. From primers to contouring powders, lahat drugstore yung ginamit natin. So guys, check it out sa nearest mall sa inyo. Department store, Watson's, or yung sa pagkilay Mumuso, it's cheap, it's below 100 pesos. You have to try it para see it for yourself. Thank you, Zumi!
Thank you also. I had such a great time making chika.
Yeah, chika and everything. So until next time guys, sa Salon de V, stay